So, Samsung is reportedly getting ready to pull off one of the biggest smartphone launches of the year, its first ever tri-folding phone, which could officially debut later this month. What's even more exciting is that this futuristic device, tentatively called the Galaxy Z TriFold, might not be limited to just a few select markets as previously expected. Earlier rumors suggested that the phone would launch only in China and South Korea, but fresh information now indicates that Samsung has much bigger ambitions for its most advanced foldable yet. The company is said to be preparing to release the Galaxy Z TriFold in several additional countries, including the UAE, and potentially even in the United States. This broader rollout strongly suggests that Samsung has complete confidence in the TriFold's engineering, design, and durability, and wants the world to see what it has achieved. Now, let's break down why this device has everyone talking. The Galaxy Z TriFold could feature a stunning 10-inch OLED display that folds into 3 sections, transforming from a phone into a compact tablet-like device. This kind of design could completely redefine smartphone versatility, allowing users to switch between productivity, entertainment, and portability with unmatched ease. Samsung has already mastered dual folding technology with its Z Fold series, but this new triple fold design is set to take things to another level entirely. According to recent patent filings, the device might also feature a 3-battery setup, one of the first in the industry designed to efficiently distribute power across all 3 panels. On the camera side, Samsung seems to be borrowing heavily from its Ultra series, with rumors pointing to a 200-megapixel primary sensor, an ultra-wide camera, and a telephoto lens. The setup could even support up to 100 times digital zoom, giving users the same high-end imaging experience found in the Galaxy S Ultra models. This would make the Z TriFold not only a productivity powerhouse, but also a photography beast. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z TriFold is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, optimized specifically for Samsung flagships. It could come with up to 16 GB of RAM and at least 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. Additional premium features such as wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and a 6.5-inch cover display are also likely to be included, ensuring a complete high-end experience no matter how you use the phone. In terms of software, the device will reportedly ship with One UI 8 based on Android 16, and Samsung is expected to promise 7 major Android OS updates. This means the Galaxy Z TriFold will stay relevant and up-to-date for years to come, making it one of the most future-proof foldables ever made. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z TriFold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.